Cisco recently extended the amount of time that you have to join the Cisco DevNet class of 2020. As you can see here, it says certified before February 24th of 2021, which gives us about 60 days to be able to join the DevNet class of 2020. I recently got my Cisco DevNet Associate certification, which put me in the DevNet class of 2020. And one of the things that I want to do in my channel is, as I progress towards my goals and I achieve my goals, I want to turn around and give back to the community and help others that are on the same path as me trying to achieve their goals. Now, there are some rules to the giveaway, so make sure you pay very close attention to those in order to not be disqualified from this giveaway. The first rule is that you're going to have to subscribe to my channel, one, so that I can grow out the channel and do more giveaways later, and then also so that you can know if you win this giveaway or not. The second rule is that you're going to have to follow me on Twitter, and that can be found here. Then also you're going to have to comment on the video. Comment down below with hashtag DevNet Class of 2020. And then also you're going to have to share the video on your social media, whether that be on Discord, Twitter, LinkedIn, or even if you have it as just a one of the posts that you can do on your own YouTube channel. That's enough of that. Let's actually go ahead and start taking a look at what all is going to be in this giveaway. For this giveaway, we're giving away some DevNet stickers. We're also going to be giving away a Cisco shirt, this box here, this other box here, and we're going to give away the official cert guide for the DevNet Associate and a Raspberry 4 Cana kit to help you be able to do your studies.
But wait, there's more.
When we take a look at the exam description here, we can see that you have to utilize version control operations. And when you're out drinking your coffee, when you're studying, or if you're having tea or whatever your choice of drink is, you still need to be keeping yourself in the right mindset, moving towards DevNet Class of 2020. And so this mug's getting tossed in the giveaway as well. Now, if you're like me, you saw the boxes that I had tossed in the on the screen earlier, and I said we're going to give away this box and we're going to give away the other box. But you're going to be sitting there and you're going to be wondering what exactly is in those boxes. So let's go ahead and crack those open and take a look. Pull it out to see that it's going to be a Cisco DevNet 24-ounce stainless steel bottle. And we'll put that one back in there, get it ready to be shipped off. And then we'll take this other one here and we'll see that it is a 12-ounce stainless steel tumbler, which is a Cisco swag sort of cup. We'll go ahead and close this video out now. Don't forget to follow the rules for the giveaway and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Twitter, and then I will do the giveaway here coming up pretty soon. If you followed the rules for the giveaway, you'll get the notification for the next video where I actually say who is going to get all of this gear. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.